In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add variants in Printify, so you can choose exactly which colors and sizes are available for customers in your store. To get started, open your Printify dashboard and go to the My Products page. Find the product you want to update. Then click the paintbrush icon to open its product editor. Once you're in the editor, head to the upper right corner and click Select Variants. This is where you control the specific combinations your customers can purchase, rather than listing every available option from the print provider. You can switch between the colors and sizes tabs, check the options you want to offer, and uncheck any colors or sizes you don't want to sell. As you make these selections, you're narrowing down the product's available variants for your storefront. Quick side note, if you want more straightforward Printify tutorials, be sure to subscribe to Ecom Control. After choosing your preferred colors and sizes, scroll down and click Save Product. This saves the variant changes inside Printify. Finally, click Publish or Republish if the product is already live to sync the updated variants with your connected store. Once the sync is complete, your customers will see only the color and size options you selected. And that's it. You've successfully added and updated product variants in Printify.